Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Magical Math Morning Session. Here, we are learning the Vedic mathematics and mental maths techniques to enhance our calculation speeds and so that we can become mathematicians. And we'll be having these sessions every Monday to Friday, sharp at 7 a.m. in the Ram's Maths Hub YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to come out with one magical multiplication tip. Definitely, it's going to blow your mind like many things that I've done in the past. We have done the multiplication of two or three digit numbers which are having the same tens digit, but the unit digit was adding up to 10. Correct? No, antyayo dashake api. That was the sutra that we have used. But today we are going to do the reverse. If the unit digits are same and the tens digits are the multiples of either they are summing up to 10 or multiples of 10, then this method is going to be helpful. This is called Vamanalyo Deshake Api. That means Vamana means that is on the left hand side, means the ones which are there on the other than the unit digit, what they are going to do. This trick is very simple. Suppose let's take 37 into 77. Two conditions should satisfy to apply this trick. The unit digit should be same and tens digit should add up to 10. 3 plus 7 should be 10. What we'll do here, in this case, we'll just multiply 3 sevens are 21. For that, what we are going to add, this unit digit we are going to add. That is plus 7, that is 28, will make the left hand side. Right hand side is nothing but 7 into 7, that is 7 square is 49. This is the product. That's it. Simple. 37 into 77 is equal to 2849. Let's take one more example. Suppose you want to multiply some number, let's take 84 into 24. What we'll do? Left hand side they are adding up to 10. So 8 to the 16. For that you add the units digit. 16 plus 4 is 20. And right hand side is 4 4 is 16. 2016 is the answer. Isn't it simple? Very, very simple, correct? Yes, 2016 is the answer. Very good. Let's take some number, maybe 70. Let's take something other than this digit. 63 into 43. Here you have to be careful on one thing. Like 6 and 4 are adding up to 10. So 6 fours are 24 plus 3 is 27 is the left hand side. But right hand side 3 square. 3 into 3 is 9. But it's coming with a single digit. So what we'll do? We'll add 0 and 9. This should have two digit number. 2709 is the answer. Is it simple? Yes. Will you try one or two numbers? Let's take some randomly. Maybe we'll take 19 into 99. Try this. 19 into 99. The unit digits are same. And these are adding up to 10. It's just maximum 2 seconds. Yes, that's the answer. Perfect. See how fast you are able to answer. 9 ones are 9. For that you are adding the unit digit, that is 18, and right hand side is 9 square, 81. 1881 is the answer. Yes, very good. Let's try one more number. This is called Vamanalya Lyoha Dashake Api. Vamana means left side. Those two numbers, Dashake means they should add up to 10. Then we'll be able to use this one. Let's take 65 into 45. Try this. Only typing time you should spend. By this time, you should give the answer, correct? Yes. 6 4s are 24 plus 5 is 29 and 5 5s are 25. 2925 is the answer. Very good. So you all got this, correct? Now, suppose if this is not adding up to 10, but this is adding up to a multiples of 10, what we'll do? Vamanalyoha Dashake Gunija Api, they will say in Sanskrit, in the Sutra, in Vedic maths. That is, Gunija means multiples of 10. So, what we'll do there? Suppose we want to make 173 into 33. Now, the digits other than the units digit, these are the ones they are adding up to 20. Correct? No? When you add 17 plus 3, it's coming to 20. 20 is a multiple of 10. So you write this. What is the base in the previous multiplications? Base was 10. So here what we do, we divide this 20 into 2 into 10. This is called as base. Everything is the multiple of 10. That's why 10 is called the base. This is called as sub base. Means what we are multiplying to 10 to get this sum. Okay, so the product of these two numbers will comprise of 17 into 3 we do, that is 51, plus directly we are not going to add the units digit 3. Instead of that, we'll multiply the unit digit with this sub base. 2 is there, no? 2 into 3 we'll add. So plus 6 we'll do. Okay, 51 plus 6 is how much? 57. So the product will come as 57, and 3 3s are 9, that will add up to 09. You understood? So you add you multiply 173 into 33, you will get 5709. That means the sum of the other digits other than the unit digit should add up to multiples of 10, like 20, 30, 40, 50, and all. And that one we have to, the product of those two numbers you should add to the product of the sub base into the units digit. Okay, here I will give you one more example. Let's take, instead of 173 into 33, let's take one more number. Sorry, sometimes the technology makes us get stuck up, correct? No, it is slower than what we calculate. Let's take, you want to multiply 276 into 236. Here the unit digit is same, correct? No, that is the main condition. The other digits 27 plus 23, when you add up they are becoming 50, correct? No, that means this is a multiples of 10. How we can express 50 as 5 into 10, correct? That means the 5 is the sub base and 10 is the base. So because this is the multiples of 10, we are considering this sub base. What we do? First we'll multiply these two digits, 27 into 23. This is nothing but 2 3 is 6, 621. Correct? No? We use the other method. When the unit digit add up to 10, Antyayo Dashike Api. You remember? These two things are adding up to 10 means, and the tens digits are same means, you multiply 2 into its successor. 2 3 is 6 and 21. 621 plus what we do? The sub base will be multiplying to the unit digit. Sub base is 5 and 5 6 are 30. When you add these two things, what we'll get? 651. Very good. You are all fast now. 651 will make the left hand side. Right hand side is 6 square 36. 65136 is the answer. Not 036. It's only two digits. Unit digit will get added to only two digits. Okay, we will not consider what is the number of digits that we have on the left hand side. That will add up for the left hand side. Right hand side is, because we are multiplying only one digit to one digit, it should give two digits. If the product is coming only like 1 into 1, 1, then we'll make 0 1. 2 into 2 will make 04. 3 into 3 will make 09. All other things directly will get the 2-digit number. Will you try one number? Let me give you one question to you. Let's take 457 into 157. Try this. Here 45 plus 15 are adding up to 60. That is the multiples of 10 and the units digit is same. Anything multiplied by 15, what we do? First you multiply by 10, add it to multiply by 5. That's the easier method we have learned, correct? No? We are adding the previous tricks to build on our speed. See the sum? You're almost correct, but I think in a hurry you had done some small mistake. You have to add 45 into 15, what you get. For this, you have to add, what is this? This is 60. 6 is the sub base, correct? No? For this, you have to add 6 into 7 also. $45 into 15 is 675. For that, when you add 6 into 7, that is 42, you will get 717, not 710. Correct? 717 into, sorry, the right hand side is 49. So this one is going to take slightly, it's going to add up. For adding, you may be doing some small mistakes, but with practice, it will come. 71749, correct? No? Let's take one more number. I want you to try 364 into, let's take 644. 364 into 644. Here 36 into 64 you do by Urdhva Tiryagbyam method, that is vertically and crosswise. This is the one which is going to take little time. 6 4s are 24, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 4s are 12, 48 plus 2 50, and then 3 6 are 18 plus 5 23. For this, what we are going to add, the sub base is how much? 36 plus 64 is adding up to 100. So 10 into 10, sub base is 10 into 4 is the units digit, that is we are going to add 40. Correct? It will add up to, I have done almost the numbers. This will add up to, yes, 2 3 4 4, and finally the right hand side is 4 square 16. See, how we are going to use the left hand side is also important, correct? No? Suppose it is 4 square, 4 into 4 will do, not 4 plus 4, correct? No? Yes, it is 16. Let's take one last try. Suppose you want to multiply 754 into 756. Sorry, into, not 756, because the units digit should be same, correct? No? Into 254. Let's take this. 754 into 254. Which trick you will use to multiply by 25? Think out. multiply by 100, half, half. That method you can use, correct? No? We'll always use those tricks to make us fast. Multiply by 100, half is 3750. Again, half is 1875. This is the product. And 75 plus 25 is adding up to 100, means the base is 10. So this 1875 you are adding, 10 into 4 is 40. Now I think you got the answer. It will come. Yes. 1915 and 4 fours are 16. Correct? No? So let's quickly recap. When the units digit is same and the tens digit is adding up to 10, what we do? For example, 74 into 34, what we do? We'll multiply these two. 7 threes are 21 plus 4 is 25 and 4 fours are 16. We'll write this is the answer. That means units digit should be same and the tens digit should add up to 10. But when the units digit is same and tens digit is adding up to the multiples of 10, we'll add these 6 and we'll take them as 6 into 10. This is the 6 is the sub base, correct? No? I think you can multiply. It is 1915 only. It is correct. So sub base we are going to multiply to 7 and then we'll add it. 45 into 15 is 675 plus 6 into 7 we should do. Correct? No? That will do 717 and 7 sevens are 49 we'll do. So keep practicing this method, and this one if you practice it will become very fast. And while multiplying the remaining two digits, you can use any of the tricks that we have learned, because we have learned so many tricks of multiplication. I want you people to Saturday and Sunday to just note down by visiting all the videos what are all the tricks that you have learned, because until you recap them you will forget after some days. So tomorrow and Monday, Sunday we are going to have gap and we'll be coming out on Monday with some another bang. What we are going to learn the division tricks from now onwards, and please practice them to become more expert. Like the brain, how fast you practice, you become, how much you practice, you'll become more and more expert and you'll become more and more quicker. Okay, and I hope you are getting the maja in the maths. Like always, I believe that maths mein maja hai. Correct? No? Enjoy this and learn the tricks and become math magicians. See you Monday morning sharp at 7 a.m.